Dear Korean customers, you are warmly welcome to visit us. First, we will take you to visit the LED Screen Exhibition Hall, which showcases excellent LED displays in various sizes and application fields. Here, we will explain the working principle of LED screen in detail, giving you an in-depth understanding of its stunning image performance and flexible applications. Then, we will show you the installation process of LED modules. Through vivid explanations and practical demonstrations, we will show the assembly steps, connection methods and installation details of LED modules. This will give you a clearer understanding of LED screen construction, as well as our professionalism in engineering and installation. If you have any questions or require more information, our dedicated team is here to support you.